Archimedes' principle, also known as buoyant force. Welcome to AP Conceptual Physics Honors 101, and today we're going to be talking about the force that keeps us afloat while we're on water. The force that keeps us from sinking as gravity pushes everything down. Buoyant force. Like I just said.
Have you ever just tried to push an object down underwater?
And then you find out that the water is just pushing back up on you? Like, what is that?
It's only then that you realize that when you push further down, the water pushes up even harder. Now, many would wonder, what is that principle? But that is Archimedes' principle, and that is what we call buoyant force.
We have our good friend Wolverine to help. We also have the duck over there as our lifeguard, just in case things go a little bit south. And he floats. Now many will wonder, why do people float exactly? Why do things float in general? Well, you see, if the water wasn't pushing up on us, we'd all sink because there is no opposing force against gravity. But because the water pushes up, ooh, look at how he sprung up there. This buoyant force that allows us to stay afloat is what keeps us up and fights against gravity. Now obviously the force doesn't exceed gravity because otherwise we'd just be shooting up into the sky. Look at this seal right here, or whatever that is, I don't really know. He decided to come and help. And then we have this ball right here. So say, right, you were the seal. You decided to swim across the pool and find this ball right here. Quite interesting, isn't it? You want to just play around with it, but then you just get the amazing idea to just push the ball down, because even as a little kid, you know the water is pushing up. So you say, you try to push the ball, you keep trying, and it gets a little harder until eventually you get it on the ground and then it shoots back up. And then you wonder, why can't I keep this force under? Well, you see, notice how the ball is just gently floating when it's at the top, but when you finally submerge it, it shoots back up. You see, the buoyant force of an object is equal to the mass of the displaced fluid. The more you push down, the more of said object there is to push back up on. Thus, the buoyant force will increase.